Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you kind of a unique piece. This is a 2022 John Deere 997R with 18 hours on it. It's belonged to a customer of ours, become a very good friend of ours, he retired, now he's going through some little health issues and decided to sell off some of his brand new stuff that he had just bought. We'll have a really nice John Deere Gator coming up, an 865R completely loaded, a 1025R with about every option you can imagine on it. This is the first piece we've just got ready to go. This 997R only has 18 hours on it, and that is correct. 18 hours. This is a real deal situation where he's had some basically health problems that is leaving him to have to downsize some of his own personal stuff. So long story short, I was very happy to be able to buy this stuff because it's very nice, very clean, ready to go like new equipment. So we went ahead and checked this out. This unit was sold new September the 12th of 2022. It has a 36-month, 1,500-hour balance warranty with it. What John Deere called their basic warranty goes out September the 12th of 2025, and then limited basic is September the 12th, 2024. This is the big daddy mower, so to speak. It's a 37 horsepower, 72 inches zero turn mower, hydraulic lift, the best of the best in John Deere's zero turn. Again, it's an 18-hour machine and still under a full warranty. Couple things it has. I have all the books and manuals for it. In the back, there was an optional grill guard kit he had put on. It is here. Folding roll bar. We're going to walk you right back here, you can go completely around this machine. So on this unit, you're going to go ahead and pull out the roll guard kit or a bumper guard kit. This is going to tilt back. Under the hood is going to be powered by a Yanmar 3-cylinder, 37 horsepower diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. Again, it's an 18-hour machine. It is a brand new piece. Underneath here, everything there is perfect, just the way it should be. Again, there's no issues here. This is, again, just a situation. I like to come up with this kind of stuff. There again, we know, or customers of ours know, we'll come in and write them a check for the package of stuff. A lot of companies don't do that today. Scalp wheels, everything's like new. 7-iron Pro 72-inch deck. This is what they call it a Z-Trak. This is a 25-year Z-Trak. Actually has the sticker on the front that says 25 years of the Z-Trak. Underneath here is going to be your hydraulic deck lift. Again, 18-hour unit. Suspension seat. Really cool on these units. Very, very comfortable, but when you fold your handles in, you got two buttons right here. That's going to raise and lower your mower deck, and then over here you're going to have your height adjustment. Very, very, very nice. So we'll fire this thing up. We'll show you right here real quick. 18 hours, 18.7. Fire him up, run him around, shoot everything you're supposed to do. We toggled through the dash. There is no active codes. There's no issues like that. There again, it's under warranty. So, we're going to have up and then down on your mower deck. Pretty neat setup. This thing is a mowing machine. I did try it. Very nice mowing unit. So basically you'll lift up on your deck. You go ahead, you want 3 inches. There it's going to go ahead and automatically set down. So that's all there is to that. We'll pull back up. Go ahead and kick the mower deck in. Again, very nice machine, handles beautiful. suspension seat, roll bar, best of the best 997R, 18 hours. Any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.